Hi. Uh, okay, now we will discuss about soft assertions. Okay, actually, in previous class, okay, in yesterday class, we will discuss about hard assertions. Okay, so what is assertions means what? Okay, it is validation. Okay, assertion is used for validations. See here, assertions topic. Wait, okay, see here, assertion topic. How to overcome this problem? So, if you overcome the conditional statements problem, okay, if you overcome the conditional statement problem, use asset. Okay, asset is a predefined class and which contains the what different types of methods. Okay, so asset class and methods we can use to overcome this problem, conditional statement failing problem. We can overcome. Okay, with the asset predefined class. Okay, so use assertions to overcome this issue and the assertion will make failure the test method. Okay, but what conditional statements are not make our test method fail. See this. Actually, in previous class we see this example. Okay, so now I can launch my browser. Please wait. I can launch my browser. Okay, I can launch my browser. See, wait. Eclipse IDE. I can launch this. Okay, it is loading. After I can launch this browser. See, it is loading. Please wait. Okay, I can launch this. I can create yesterday class annotations and titles. Okay, test titles. See here, test ng. In that we can create src.java. Okay, test ng is my folder. I can create so many programs yesterday. Okay, so I can close this all. Okay, see these assertions. Okay, yesterday class we can see these assertions. So see here, if expected results are equal to actual results, we can use what assertions class. If not equals also, we can use what assertions class. Okay, see here this one as the expected results are not equal to actual results. Okay, it displays the output. Okay, in some situations. Okay, see this. If you use a capital H, some here you can use small h. Okay, if you use different assertions in place of, okay, so you can use the exact method in if method also. Okay, in if method also. See here, there are two types of assertions are there. First one, hard assertions and soft assertions. See this. This is the method. What is that? Asset dot asset equals to. Okay, this method is compare two values equals. Okay, if this method compare two values, if it is equal, it is can be passed that. Okay, if it is not equal, it can be give fail. Okay, it will accept all kind of values, either strings or numerical values. Okay, so whatever it is, it can be accepted the strings and numerics both. Okay, so in that we can see this as a dot not equal to means if you use not equal to method, okay, this method will be passed. Why means the expected results are not equal to actual results. That's why that method will be passed. Why means if you use the not equals, that's why. Okay, so fail method is it is just used for development purpose. Okay, it is used for the only development purpose. See here. So fail method is used only for development purpose. Okay, there is no use, just development purpose only you can use that. So next we can see hard assertions. So hard assertions, how I can write, see this. In between two, okay, two statements, we can write as a dot equals to 1 comma 1. If 1 comma 1 means it can be passed. If you write 1 comma 2 means, so only first two statements will be passed. Okay, and 3, 4 will be failed. Why means the condition is failed. Okay, this line onwards. That's why first two can be passed and remaining two can be failed here. So if you write this condition in last, okay, so four condition will be passed. After that there is no condition. That's why. So as that hard assertions will be terminated there. Okay, so in see this. If hard assertions got failed, if you want to execute the statements after the assertion is it is not possible. Okay, see here now I will go for soft assertions. So method names are same in the soft and hard assertions. Okay. In soft assertions and hard assertions, both method. Okay. Both assertions method names are same. So using object, we are using to those methods. So see here. Even we can use what soft assertions at the end of the method. We are okay. We write one or more method. See this. So what? How I can write? So object name dot assert all. Okay. This method is mandated to write end of the method. Okay, end of the program. So if you don't write this, so what is the output? Soft assertions got failed and remaining statement will be executes. So it is working or not. Now we can check this small program. See this, this is the program. Okay, I can write there. Okay. Hard. So see this, I can write this soft assertions. So now I can create one class. So what is the class name here? SA1. Okay, soft assertions. So that's why I can give soft. Sorry, I can give soft assertion one. Okay, so finished. There is no main method here. That's why I can create only empty. Now I can copy this one, same code. See this? I can paste here. Okay, I can paste here. So I can create the class name is what? Soft assertion. Okay, so I can give SOFT, soft assertions. Okay, see this? In between, we can write. Okay, so I can write what? Soft assert. Okay, this is the predefined class. Soft ASSERT series code series. Soft assert SCA equal to new soft assert. Okay, soft assert SCA equal to new soft ASSERT. Okay, see this. Now I can install this. Okay, I can import this one. So import soft assert. Okay, so after that we can write what? Object. Okay, object is SCA dot assert what equals. So assert equals what? 1 comma 1. Okay, I can write this. See this? So I can save the file and execute this one. Okay. Okay. So run as test ng. See, why it gives fail? Save and run. Again it failed here. Why? Is there any mistake in the program? So asset I can import it. See, your program is what? Soft A Java 20th line. Okay, okay. I cannot give any closure brace here. That's why it shows error. Wait. Save the file. Okay, I can run this. So this. It shows something. Actually, I want console. Okay. See here. First test, second test, third test, fourth test. Okay. All are passed. Okay. So all are passed. See here. I can write like this. I can write what 1 comma 2. See this. Save and run as what? Test engine. Okay. I can write 10 test engine. See here. Here also I can pass all tests. Actually, see this. Why here we can't write any program. Okay, SA dot asset all. It is mandatory. It is mandatory to write this. Okay, asset all. So definitely you can import this. Now save the file and run it. Okay. So after run this, run as what? Run as just the test.ng. See here. So failure is erased or not? Okay, 1 comma 2 is expected results are not equal to actual results. That's why failure is erased. See here. So pass the methods. So all methods are passed and then it fail it. Okay, if you write 1 comma 1, what it shows? See here. I can save. Okay, I can run as test ng. Okay, see here. Okay, passed or not? So all will be passed and here the test will method is also passed. Okay, and 1 comma 2 means method is failed here, but all statements are passed. Okay, this is the difference between hard assertions and smart assertions, soft assertions. Okay, so in this case, definitely we can write object dot assert all method. Okay, in soft assertions, it is managed to write the statement, and without this statement, output goes wrong. Okay, it will not perform any action. So I can check this. We'll save. Okay, we can save this. Okay, now we can save the file and run it. What happens? Okay, and run as what test ng. See here, pass it. Okay, so definitely you can write this one. Control Z. Okay, definitely you can write this one. It is a mandatory statement. Okay, so use this condition is failing now. Same output, it's failed, but it shows what passed. Okay, it shows fail or pass. See this. I can write here to if without write this as at 1 comma 2 means it is also passed. Okay, that's why we can write SDA dot as at all. It gives the statement expected results are equal to actual results are not. If it is not matched, then it shows it gives what failed here. So if you don't write this as at all statement, okay, it gives what passed here. Okay, so definitely we can write this asset dot sa dot asset all statement mandatory in program. Okay, so these are the assertions in test ng. Okay, so now in next class we will discuss about wait. Some annotations topics are missing in previous programs. So see that. Okay, some annotations are missing. So which annotations are missing? We will check this. Okay, so wait. What is that annotations here? I will go back, back. See this? These are the annotations, right? See this suit class. So suit name, it will be displayed or not? Class package. So wait. See this. Okay. Here, how many classes are there? See this. Here, two classes are there. This is one class, and this is another class. Okay, two classes with two different names. Okay, and here two test methods are available. Okay, in within suit, two test methods available, two classes available. Okay, so about suit contains what? Two tests and two classes. Okay, if I create one method before test and one method is created after test. Okay, then before test method will be executed before every test is started, and after test method will be executed after completion of every test start. This is above explanation related to XML level. We can create those methods in any class. Okay, so now I can implement this. Okay, I can create one new class or one new package here. See, wait, I can create one new. This is one packages. Okay, I can create one new package. What is the package? Package name is annotations. I can give annotations. Okay, I can give annotations. See here, annotations will be created or not. In that annotations, we can create one new class. So what is the class? So class name is CLS1. Okay, I can create one new class. Finish. See this. Okay, in that class, I will give two methods. Okay, I will give two methods. See here, at the rate of text. Okay, I can import the at the rate of text from there. Here, sorry, okay, we can write here. So please wait, I can close all these files. Okay, hard adjustments, I can close all these. So see here, I can write what? At the rate of, okay, text, T-E-S-T. So at the rate of text. So now void M1. Okay, void M1. So this void M1 system.out.println SYSTM system.out.println. In that we can write what? This is M1 from class 1. Okay, this is M1 from CLA SS class 1. This is M1 for class 1. Okay, now I can create same like same wait. I can import this one. Okay, I can import text. So here I can write same like a before text. Okay, so copy this, Control C, and after the okay here you can write what before text. BEFORE before text. Okay, I can import this before test also. Import before test. Okay, import or not. So I can create here name is what? M3. I can give here M3. Okay, this is M3 method before test method. Okay, this is M3 method. This is M3 method before test ME THOD. Okay, see here. So this is class 1. I can save. Okay, again I can create one another class. Class name is what? Class 2. Okay, I can give CLS2. Okay, so finish. See here, this is class 1, this is class 2. Okay, now I can copy same code. Okay, I can copy same code here. Control C. I can paste it here. Okay, now here I will give M2 and M4. Okay, M2 and M4. And before method I can't give here. Okay, I will give only after method. After test you only give. Okay. Okay, AFT after test. So now I can import it here. Okay, and click on import. You see this. This is what M2 from class 2. This is what M4 from M4 M4 method after test method. Okay. See this. These are the two classes here. Okay. So in class 1, first what will be displayed? First M3 will be displayed. Why means it is before test. Okay. After before test, it is duplicate method. Okay. It is duplicate annotation. It is what? Main method. This is main method. Okay. This is main class. Okay. So first you can execute what? Before test. Okay. Before test execute and M3 executed. After that M1 is executed. In here class 2, first one what? Uh, See, wait, M2 executed after M4 is executed. So what is the output here? See this. So M3, M1, M2, M4. That is the output. Okay. M3, M1, M2, M4 output. See this one. M3, M2, no, M1 and M4 will be displayed. See this. So now I can execute this one. Okay. So see this. I cannot execute to every file. See this. I can't execute only each. There are two classes here. So each one I can execute separately, but I can execute these two classes in single file. So that's why we can create what? Go to annotations. In that, go to test-ng. Okay. Test-ng. And here convert to what? Test-ng. Okay. Test-ng. After test-ng, we can give what? Browse. So in that browse, we can select our project and expand that project. In that SRC, text, okay, Java, and in that we can create what is what is my package here? Annotations is my package. Okay, that's why I can give and select annotations and click OK and click finish. See this one test.ng XML will be created or not? Okay, created. Now I can open this test.ng XML. See this open and the annotations class. Okay, class 2 classes are executed or not? Class 2, class 1. Okay, see here. So now here I can right click on this. I can execute both classes. Okay, both classes output. So that's why we can go for run as, and in that run as we can select what test.ng suit. See here what is the output here. Okay, so there is no failures here. See this M3 method execute before test method and next M2 class 1 and M1 class 1 and M1 M4 test method. Why M2? So actually M3, M1, M2, M4 displayed. But here what M3, M2, M1, M4. Why means there is no priorities I can give here. There is no there are two test methods. So I cannot give any priority. I cannot give any priority. Okay, that's why it will be displayed one after another. First M1 will be displayed, M2 will be displayed, and after that, okay, it will go for what? The name. Okay, package, this method name, it will displayed alphabetical order. Okay, that's why it will be displayed M2 method second. Okay, this is the output. Okay, so now I will go for test-ng class. Okay, in the test-ng class, I can write what? So actually, I can write another test. Okay, another test method. I can write what? Another test method. So see this, I can copy this text, Control C. In this suit, I can write same text. Okay, I can write same text here. So see this, this is I can give what test one. Here I can give what test two. I can give test one and test two. Okay, so what is the annotations? Annotations is the package name and CLS2 is the class name. Okay, now I can save this. I can save this and run it. What is the output here? Okay, now we can check this and run as what test ng file. See here, four test cases passed by means M3, M2, M1, M4 is one set. M3, M2, M1, M4 is the one set, and M3, M2, M1, M4 is the another set. There are two sets will be displayed here or not. Okay, two sets will be displayed. So what is thread count here? Thread count is a memory location. Okay, thread count is a memory location here. See this. So if you put only one single test, see, wait. I can run this. Okay. So now, see this, I can also run this also. Okay, so if you put only one single class in test one and test two, before test statement, after the execution, it will only one execute only once. Why means I can use XML file. Okay, in that I can use XML file. I can't write this test method. Okay, it executes how many times? Only once. Okay, that is the definition here. See this. If you put one single class in test one and test two, and before the statement and after the test method will be executed only once. If you put more than one class, I can put what test method is two here. More than one classes. Okay, I can put more than one classes. Then before test method and after test method will execute multiple times. Okay, it executed multiple times or not? See this. Here it executed what multiple times. This is one set. This four contains one set, and this four contains one set. Okay, there are two sets will be displayed or not. Okay, this is the annotations topic remaining pending. That's why I can explain now. Okay, so we will discuss in dependency methods in next topic. Okay, next class.